out against breast cancer. There's those moments in your life that inspire the rest of your moments in life.
Register now for breast cancer treatment, benefiting Susan G. Komen for the cure.
Amico, we know you have enough to worry about.
My carbon footprint.
Turn lights. Radon. Rotator cuff.
But when you call Amica, you won't have to worry